In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a cover image on Gumroad in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. A cover image helps make your Gumroad product look more professional and attractive to customers. You can use images or videos to showcase your product and improve the appearance of your product page. Now, if you want to add a cover image on Gumroad, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, go to the Products section from your dashboard. After that, open the product where you want to add the cover image. Then, go to the Product Editing page and locate the Cover section. Now, click on Upload Images or Videos. After that, select the image or video file you want to use as your product cover. Make sure the image has good quality and follows the recommended resolution for the best appearance on your product page. Then, wait for the upload to finish and preview how the cover image looks on the product page. You can also upload a thumbnail image separately if needed. After that, click Save Changes to apply the cover image to your product. Usually, cover image issues happen because the file format is unsupported or the image size is too large, so make sure your file meets Gumroad requirements before uploading. That's it. By uploading a cover image properly, you can improve the appearance of your Gumroad product page and make your product look more attractive to customers.